obviously the first half we set about our job and our task, and it was good. And we put points on the board. We came in at half time, and I think when we went out in the second half there, just a couple of little things, executions didn't go our way, and we started to play a little bit off the cuff, but when we look back and review, there was probably two things that were disappointing at the time. But then I look at them, and if they'd executed correctly, we probably would have got another couple of tries. But we did try and come out in the second half and play a little bit more aggressively to play through them. We reviewed the game, and I think we had twice as many kicks in that first 20 minutes as we'd had previously. So I think the boys were, just went away a little bit from our intended game plan, and we sat down and reviewed that. And, there was some disappointed players in the room on Monday as we reviewed the game. So I think it was just sort of straying away a little bit from our plan. But, when you look back in the game, some of the opportunities they tried to do were there, and they didn't execute. So, we could be having a different conversation if the crossfield kick was caught and a little grubber went through properly. We could have had a different conversation. So, yeah, it was disappointing, very disappointing, that first 20 minutes of the second half.